want to get millions of views on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok? Well, today is your lucky day because I will be sharing a niche that I know for sure will get you there. So the niche I am talking about is dark psychology. Although there are some YouTubers who have already talked about this niche, but they are making a major mistake that can cause damage to your channel growth. I will give you a fix for it in this video. So let's begin. To start a dark psychology channel, first pick a name. It's very straightforward. Pick any name you like that matches your niche. You'll want something intriguing yet clear about the content. Next, create a logo and channel banner. You can use any graphic design software to do that, like Canva or Photoshop. Stick with dark colors and abstract shapes to really sell the mystique. Now for the most important part, content. Let me start with a script. If you remember, I told you about the mistake that many creators are making in their videos. They are all using ChatGPT, and because of that all of their scripts sound the same. So to solve this problem, I recommend two things. First, either use dark psychology books to get your script ideas, or second, use your imagination and make up some facts. As we all know, dark psychology always have to be 100% factually accurate. When writing scripts, really play up the intrigue. Pose rhetorical questions, use dramatic pauses, and make bold claims. Viewers can't resist clickbait titles like "The Shocking Truth About Manipulators" or "Inside the Mind of a Killer." So once you are done with your script, next is the voiceover. You can use either 11 Labs or Koki Studio. They both work great. I prefer Koki for the dark aesthetic. Make sure to use a low, brooding tone when recording. Sound mysterious. Let's start with the graphics. For graphics, you can use two websites, one is Leonardo and the other one is Midjourney. You can use either one. I will provide some good prompts in the description, things like portrait of sinister man with red glowing eyes, or looping animation of hands controlling a brain. Now let's start the editing process. I use CapCut for all my editing. Simply drag and drop all the files you need. Next, arrange the images according to your audio. Then, put some effects and transitions in there. Don't forget sound effects and background music. Use glitches, audio distortions, and dark ambient music to set the mood. I also recommend speeding up the pace with lots of quick cuts between photos. Keep them on their toes.
The saying absence makes the heart grow fonder isn't just a cute saying, it's actually pretty important if you want someone to fall in love with you. The idea is that people tend to become obsessed with things they don't have. When you're always available and at your partner's beck and call, there's no room for them to miss you. In fact, they might start taking you for granted because you're always around. But if you give them some space and disappear for a bit, it creates a contrast. They get a chance to realize how much they appreciate and enjoy your company. So, giving your partner the gift of your absence can make them crave your presence more. The harder it is for them to have you around, the more they might start to really value and miss you.
Now I recommend you use YouTube Music with your short so it will get pushed more by the algorithm. The key is sticking to that mysterious vibe in all creative choices. And that's it, you have your own dark psychology channel. Now, if you want a more in-depth video editing session, you can click on the video link in the description. Thanks for watching. I have another amazing video for you to watch, so don't forget to check that out too. Let me know if you have any other questions about starting a viral dark psychology channel. This niche is hot right now and won't last forever.